English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 7. Responses to expressions of empathy. I think so too. How would you reply? What would a native say? Exactly. Exactly. I feel the same way. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? Right? Right? I know what you mean. What would friends say? What do people actually say? I know. I know. I felt the same. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Totally. Totally. That's a good point. What would you say here? What's the natural response? For sure. For sure. Exactly. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? You got that right. You got that right. That's really true. What's a natural reply? How would a native answer? Absolutely. Absolutely. That's exactly it. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Seriously. Seriously. I agree. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? Totally agree. Totally agree. I know what you're saying. Here's another common reply. What would you say? Fair enough. Fair enough. That's true. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Yep. Yep. I agree with you. How would you respond naturally? What do people actually say? Same here. Same here. We're on the same page. How would you show agreement? How would you say it? Couldn't agree more. Couldn't agree more. I like that idea. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? Sounds good. Sounds good. That's exactly what I was thinking. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? Absolutely. 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 Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.